Artificial intelligence is more than just a technology trend. It's a game changer in the way we live and work. First, AI unlocks opportunities, giving individuals and businesses new ways to innovate, create, and solve problems that once seemed impossible. It fuels innovation in careers, enabling professionals across every field to use AI tools to boost productivity and develop entirely new roles that didn't exist before. AI provides a competitive edge, allowing organizations and individuals who embrace it to stay ahead in a rapidly changing world. AI is already woven into the fabric of our daily lives, influencing everything from how we stay healthy to how we relax. In healthcare, AI is a game changer. It helps doctors analyze medical images like X-rays and MRIs with incredible speed and accuracy, which can lead to earlier diagnosis of diseases. It's also used in drug discovery, accelerating the process of finding new cures and treatments. When you get home and open a streaming service like Netflix or Spotify, AI is the engine behind your experience. It analyzes what you've watched or listened to and suggests new content you might like. In finance, when you get an alert about a suspicious transaction on your credit card, that's AI at work. Financial institutions use AI to constantly monitor millions of transactions to spot unusual patterns and prevent fraud. Creativity is one of the newest and most exciting areas for AI. Tools like ChatGPT generating content in seconds are a perfect example. AI can now write articles, create images, even compose music, and acting as a creative partner. In our daily lives, AI is all around us. Think about the voice assistants like Siri or Alexa. When you ask them a question, AI understands your speech and provides a response. Another big one is autonomous vehicles, which use AI to see their surroundings and make real-time decisions to drive safely. In engineering and manufacturing, AI is used for tasks that are too complex or dangerous for humans. For instance, it can perform predictive maintenance, analyzing data from machines to predict when they're likely to fail. In this module, we'll begin by answering a fundamental question. What is AI, machine learning, and deep learning? You'll see how they connect and how each one contributes to solving problems. Next, we'll explore the opportunities of AI in mechanical engineering, from computer-aided design and CAE to optimization and design automation. These are areas where AI can reduce time, cut costs, and help us achieve smarter, more innovative designs. Finally, we'll look at AI tool categories that are shaping the field today. This will give you a clear roadmap of what technologies are available. Let's take a quick journey through the history of AI. It all begins in the 1950s, when pioneers like Alan Turing asked a bold question: can machines think? In 1956, the term artificial intelligence was officially coined. In the 1960s, AI researchers started building early programs that followed rules. Some could even chat in simple ways, like the famous program ELIZA. But these systems were very narrow. They only worked in small, controlled situations. The 1970s brought the first big setback, known as the AI winter, when enthusiasm dropped and funding was cut. Still, this decade gave us progress in robotics. By the 1980s, AI bounced back with expert systems, programs that mimicked human experts in fields like medicine and engineering. Businesses started using them, but they were costly and eventually hard to maintain. In the 1990s, AI shifted toward machine learning, letting computers learn from data instead of relying on fixed rules. This is when IBM's Deep Blue famously defeated chess champion Garry Kasparov. The 2000s brought the age of the internet and big data. Search engines, spam filters, and recommendation systems all relied on AI. Around this time, the term deep learning also began to take shape. The 2010s were a revolution. With deep learning and powerful GPUs, AI achieved breakthroughs in image recognition, speech, and self-driving technology. And finally, in the 2020s, we entered the era of generative AI. Models like GPT and DALL-E don't just analyze data, they actually create text, images, music, and designs. Today, AI is not only in research labs but deeply integrated into our daily lives. So, what exactly is AI? Artificial intelligence, or AI, is the ability of machines or computer systems to perform tasks that usually require human intelligence, like learning from experience, reasoning, solving problems, and making decisions. The key point is that AI is not one single program. It's a combination of techniques and algorithms that allow machines to simulate parts of human thinking. To really understand AI, it helps to compare it with two other types of intelligence: human intelligence and augmented intelligence. Human intelligence is creative, emotional, and adaptable. Humans can deal with uncertainty, come up with new ideas, and understand context and emotions. AI is extremely accurate, fast, and very good at repetitive tasks. But on its own, AI lacks creativity, emotional understanding, and common sense. Augmented intelligence is where the real opportunity lies. It's not about replacing humans, but about combining the speed and accuracy of AI with the creativity and empathy of humans. This way, machines handle the heavy data work, and humans provide judgment and innovation.